Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow cupcakes. First, gather your ingredients: a white cake mix, various food colorings, and cupcake liners. Prepare the cake batter as directed on the box. Once your batter is ready, divide it equally into 4 or 5 separate small bowls, depending on how many colors you want to use. This step is crucial for vibrant results. Now for the fun part, coloring your batter. Add a few drops of a different food coloring to each bowl. For example, use red in one, blue in another, and green in a third. Stir each bowl gently until the color is completely uniform and vibrant. You want each color to be distinct and bright to achieve that beautiful rainbow effect in your finished cupcakes. With your colorful batters ready, it's time to create the rainbow layers. Place cupcake liners into a standard muffin tin. Using a small spoon, carefully add a tiny amount of each colored batter into the liners, one on top of the other. Start with one color, then add the next, and so on. Don't overfill. About 2/3 full is perfect for baking. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful rainbow creations. Place the muffin tin into a preheated oven and bake the cupcakes according to the time and temperature specified on your cake mix package. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, you can frost them with a simple white frosting and add some colorful sprinkles for an extra festive touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.